Yo, what's poppin'? This is Jason here out of ecology, and we are going to be talking about why it is important to conserve the pine flatlands, Florida. Let's take a look around here at the different kind of species that we have here. So first of all, our first step is the muley grass right here. But if you look in closer, you find a much more rare species, or at least in bloom. We have the mimosa flower coming in right in here, as you can see right there. Now this species is more of a vine, and it's generally located on the southern part of the peninsula due to its more tropical characteristics. As we start moving back, we can see sand and scrub live oak with some mixes of blueberry in here. Now, the blueberries here typically grow close to the ground, as you can see around here. Now, growing close to the ground also avoids most of the negative effects of the extreme heat in the summer, but it also is a negative because of forest fires, because they often occur closer to the ground. But let's go over here to some species that are able to better withstand forest fires. Now, as we notice here, we have two different species of pine. We have slash pine and loblolly pine. Now, as we zoom in closer here, we have a seedling of each kind. Right here, we have the loblolly seedling. And as we move over here, we have the slash pine seedling. Now, you can tell the difference based on the length of the needle. And also, unexpectedly, we have a couple more interesting species over here. We have a post oak, where you can tell based on the leaves. You can tell based on the leaf shape being almost like a turkey foot, although it is not the turkey oak. Now, as you notice here, this is poison ivy. So don't want to get in too close to that. Zoom out and start looking at the aquatic escape here. Aquatic ecosystem. Let's take a look at what we have here. As we see, we have multiple species of fish, minnows jumping. There are bluegill, bass, catfish in here, possibly along with some some non-native carp. And as we see, one just jumped over there, most likely a bass. Now, no signs of carp in here today, but we do have plenty of lily pads, as well as the rotting log, which provides some kind of decomposition. So the rotting log reintroduces nutrients back into the ecosystem, like what we see right here. Fungi decomposing the log, removing nutrients from the log and introducing them back into the living system. As we move further down, we see that there are many species here that occur nowhere else. And if you look closely, every species here has its important niche in the ecosystem. So that's why it is such an important proposition to save this rare, vanishing ecosystem. So this is it.